Hey, amazing people! Welcome back to Money Buys Freedom, the place where we dive deep into everything related to online income, entrepreneurship, and success stories that will leave you inspired and motivated. Today's video is going to be a real treat because we're sharing some jaw-dropping real-life online income success stories. And trust me, you won't believe the incredible earnings these individuals have achieved. So, grab a pen and paper because you'll want to take notes. Our first success story features Sarah, a go-getter who started her e-commerce journey from scratch. She launched an online store selling handmade jewelry. At first, things were slow, but she persevered. Fast forward a few years, and her annual earnings have reached an astonishing $250,000. How did she do it? Well, Sarah focused on creating unique, high-quality products and building a strong brand. She leveraged social media, email marketing, and paid advertising to drive traffic to her website. The result? A thriving online business that generates $250,000 annually. Next up, we have John, an affiliate marketing genius. He started his journey as an affiliate marketer, promoting products he believed in through a blog and YouTube channel. Today, he's raking in an impressive $100,000 per year. John's strategy is all about creating valuable, in-depth content that addresses his audience's pain points. He built trust by only recommending products he's personally used and loved. With time and dedication, his commissions grew to a six-figure income. Our third success story is Emily, the freelance superstar. She started as a freelance writer, working from her home office. Over the years, she honed her skills, expanded her clientele, and now enjoys an annual income of $80,000. Emily's secret? Delivering exceptional work and consistently exceeding her clients' expectations. She built a reputation that brought her repeat business and referrals. Now, she's living proof that freelancing can lead to financial freedom. Now, you might be wondering how you can achieve online income success like these amazing individuals. Here are some key takeaways. 1. Passion and persistence. Find something you're passionate about and stick with it. Success often takes time, but if you love what you do, it won't feel like work. 2. Continuous learning. Never stop learning. Invest in your skills and knowledge to stay ahead of the game. 3. Building trust. Whether you're selling products, promoting affiliate offers, or freelancing, building trust with your audience or clients is paramount. 4. Consistency. Consistency is key in online income endeavors. Regularly produce content, deliver quality work, and keep improving. 5. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore multiple income streams to increase your financial security. And there you have it. Incredible success stories from zero to financial freedom, with earnings ranging from $80,000 to an astonishing $250,000 annually. Remember, these success stories are not just dreams. They are attainable realities if you're willing to put in the effort and dedication. If you found these stories inspiring, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and share this video with anyone who needs a dose of motivation. Also, consider subscribing for more in-depth content on achieving financial freedom through various online income strategies. Thank you so much for joining me today. Stay motivated, keep hustling, and remember, your financial freedom journey starts with a single step. Until next time, keep chasing those dreams.